The weekly code quiz. What input type is for a single line of text? Input type equals text in quotation marks for a single line text input. What input type is for a larger text block? The text area element. Text area opening tag. Text area closing tag. What two methods can be used to control the size of a text block? In the first method, the cols and rows attributes are used to define the area of text when the browser first loads the element. In the second method, you use CSS, or cascading style sheets. What does the value for the rows attribute represent? The value for the rows attribute is the number of rows. What does the value for the cols attribute represent? The value for the cols attribute is the number of characters per row. How do you connect a label element to your text area element? Similar to the input element, you match the value of the for attribute for the label element to the ID attribute of the text area element. Here is a code example. Form opening tag, label opening tag, for attribute equals sample text area in quotation marks. Here is an example of a text area element. Label closing tag, line break. Text area opening tag, ID attribute equals sample text area in quotation marks. Name attribute equals sample text area in quotation marks. Rows attribute equals 5 in quotation marks. Cols attribute equals 60 in quotation marks. Style attribute equals color number 444444 semicolon in quotation marks. The text placed between the opening and closing tags is sample text. This text area has 5 rows and 60 characters per row. Text area closing tag, line break. Input opening tag, type attribute equals submit in quotation marks. Value attribute equals submit in quotation marks. Form closing tag. In this example, the value for the for attribute, sample text area, connects it to the text area with the ID attribute with the same value. We have a text area set to 5 rows and 60 characters per row. The text placed between the text area opening tag and the text area closing tag is what will be pre-filled for the user as a sample or instructions. In this case, we have styled this text a gray color. Lastly, we have an input type to submit the user's input into the text area. Presented by Designers Learn Code.